Hi my friends, it's Ian again. It's been a long time since I put a video together, but I've done one or two alterations, so I need to let you know what I've done so that you can find them. Now then, one of the things that I've added, which one of our members requested, some time back we used to have a link so that when you're downline logged into their members area, they could click on this link, and it was a yellow banner similar to this, and it would take them to your programs page, which is a really good idea. So when I modernized this members area, I took it out and I forgot all about putting it back in. So there we have it. It's down here. If you want to look at the blog training is just there. Okay, so there was a link to the blog just there. AI Jane, she's helping quite a few people, especially new members. And if you want to contact me anytime, please leave me a message here. And if I am logged into this system, which is like a desktop area, I will be able to text chat you live. We won't be able to talk, and I won't be able to see you. You won't be able to see me, but we can text chat live. So that's another good tool. Now then, so that's point one, just there. And point two was for the blog, it is there. And there's some really good things on the blog. So please, if I click on there now, you can see down the right hand side some of the titles. Okay, so if you just click on those, nice simple layout, and you'll be able to find out some good tips there, especially when it comes to spam, and making sure that your titles are not spammy, so that the people that you want to get their messages out to will receive them. And if they're too spammy, they'll just go to their spam box. So that's point one. Point two, the blog. And the second one, what I want you to do now is to go into your members area, and I want you to click on promotional links. Now, you know that we have a programs page, and if you look over here, these are the main pages that members use. Okay, so there's the home page, the programs page is just there, and that's a single column, and that, when we shrink it, as fits in a nice one column, and all the images, they all shrink to fit on a mobile. Okay, but we now have another page. If you come down here, a 2-column programs page. Now I like this, and this is mine, and there it is. It's got the same header, inviting people to join, and if I now make this smaller, you'll see that it's gone into the 1 column. So that's good, because you don't want people with seeing 2 small banners. Okay, but when you open it up, there we have it. Now if you use this, I suggest you make sure that you've got an even number. Otherwise, if I go over to the big dog Stan, let's have a look here. If I click on there, you will see Stan, because I wanted to test it on a few members. You will see Stan's got an odd number. So if you're watching this, Stan, and he always watches the videos and he always comments, so that's nice of him. Maybe you want to take one of these out, or maybe add another one, Stan, so it balances out. But I like using this because you've got more information in less of a scrolling up and down. That's how I look at it. Okay, so there we have it. That's what I wanted to let you know, and I want you to let me know if there's anything else that you need that you think will help, and I'll have a look on how to program and get it sorted for you. The same as this second column. That's what I've been doing this morning, some programming to make sure it all works in all the common browsers. Okay, so there we have it. This is Ian saying thanks for listening. Bye for now. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and that way any training videos like this you will get notified. Okay, so bye for now.